What is cognitive decline in Alzheimer's disease? Imagine your brain as a busy city where roads connect different neighborhoods, each responsible for specific tasks like memory, language, or problem solving. In Alzheimer's disease, these roads gradually become damaged, causing the city to slow down and sometimes come to a halt. Cognitive decline refers to this slow loss of mental functions as the disease progresses. It is a key feature of Alzheimer's, which is a neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects parts of the brain involved in thinking and memory. In the early stages, often called mild cognitive impairment, people might notice small changes. They may forget recent conversations, lose track of where they put things, or struggle to find the right words. These signs are subtle and often noticed first by family or friends, but the person might still manage daily activities like working or socializing independently. At this point, the brain is starting to show signs of trouble, but it is still possible to live independently. As Alzheimer's advances to the mild and moderate stages, the cognitive decline becomes clearer. Memory problems deepen, affecting both recent and older memories. Language difficulties become more noticeable, and people may have trouble with reasoning or making decisions. Tasks that once seemed simple, like managing money or dressing, become more challenging. Behavioral changes such as confusion, mood swings, anxiety, or even hallucinations can appear. These changes can be distressing for both the individual and their loved ones. In the severe stage, the damage to the brain is extensive. Individuals lose the ability to communicate effectively, recognize familiar faces, or care for themselves. Brain tissue shrinks significantly due to the buildup of abnormal proteins called amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles, which are characteristic of Alzheimer's. At this point, the person is entirely dependent on others for daily care and cannot perform basic activities like eating or bathing. This decline happens because neurons or brain cells gradually die due to the disease process. The areas most affected include the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory, and the cerebral cortex, which handles thinking and reasoning. The decline impacts multiple mental skills, including memory, language, problem solving, attention, and spatial awareness. Understanding this process helps us recognize how Alzheimer's affects daily life and emphasizes the importance of early diagnosis. While there is currently no cure for Alzheimer's, treatments can help manage symptoms and improve quality of life. Early detection allows for better planning and support tailored to the person's needs. It is important to remember that each person's experience with cognitive decline can vary, and medical professionals can provide personalized advice and care options. Recognizing the signs of cognitive decline is the first step toward understanding and supporting those affected by this challenging disease.